This gives us a very good idea of the extent of the flooding, but of course it's better that this area was flooded. Over here you can see there's traffic. That is the main road between Wrocław and Oławka, and obviously there's a motorway as well, but that's about 10 kilometers to the west. Well, if you're going to Oławka, you take the minor road. I think it would be quicker. Maybe if you're going to Katowice, you would take the motorway. You can see how the road has been in two places. It has been flooded. Emergency services put up metal posts with red and white tape on them to show where the road is, because obviously you wouldn't want to fall into the ditch which runs either side of the road. And indeed from here you can see how deep it is. There's a drone somewhere, and there you can see the power station at Szczecnica. This is a dike here, a vow, przeciwpowodziowy, anti-flooding, and so you can see that this has remained in position. Now, I was just talking to somebody from around here who told me that beavers have been destroying the dikes, or not destroying them but damaging them. I've got to say, in the circumstances though, notwithstanding the human tragedy in some places, but there is something here to see it. It's very surreal, but also it's quite attractive. Oh, somebody's trying to get through the water here, as of course I just did. I witnessed something down here. There was a gentleman on a bicycle with wearing what appeared to be short trousers and there's a lady got in a panic, and instead of doing the logical thing, which was to wait, she went in, and then she went very fast. She overtook him at speed. I mean, totally obviously it's absolutely the wrong thing to do in circumstances like this, but she was so frightened anyway. The gentleman, he went berserk, but she stopped, and then she burst into tears with me. I said to her, you should really have stopped for him, but I could see her anyway. So I offered even to take her to where she was going, so I can drive your vehicle, I can just leave my bike here. But she turned down my offer. She was taking the kids to the doctors, and but that's what happens with a panic now, particularly if you don't know how to deal with it. Although she was in a vehicle which is noted for its off-road capacity. So anyway, this is me between Katowice and Groblice in southwestern Poland to the southeast of Wrocław. Thanks for watching.